Can we find a bag of money?
I'll do it.
Right, so Andy's had 1 day off and I've had 2 cars delivered. So, well, 1 car, 1 van. This behind us, 64 plate Expert. Dispatch, yes, Citroen Dispatch. So this is Conrad's first project. Not too bad, is it, mate?
No, just a few broken parts.
So yeah, Conrad's he's only a young lad, but he wants to make some money, so we're going to do it. Millionaires by end of year.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, so what's broken? Obviously, shaft, bottom arm, and I'm going to say that trackless end or tyre end is bent. So we're going to get wheel off, get them all off, and new ones, and then hopefully she'll roll.
Beast.
Right, so about 25 minutes, half an hour in, and she's all stripped. How you finding it, mate?
Light work, mate.
Apart from that drop when that took you a while, then I had to finish it.
Took the longest part.
Yeah. Now we're on to rebuilding it. All parts are here, ready to go, all prepared. 20 minutes back together.
Easy.
It's like a kid at Christmas, look, opening all them presents. And yes, I'm laid on the floor. What are you going for first?
Anti-rock. No. In a tie rod.
In a tie rod?
Yeah.
And then trackward end.
Shaft.
And then bottom arm.
And then bottom arm.
Wicked. So it's all back together apart from wheel. We're just about to put wheel on. Conrad's guessed where tracking is, so if it's miles out we know who's to blame. But yeah, she's all back together. He's going to clean that gearbox oil up so it doesn't stink car out. But yeah.
It's brake cleaner.
It's brake cleaner, is it? I call bullshit.
It's brake cleaner.
Is it? It's brake cleaner. Put in comments if you think that's actually a brake cleaner or not.
Yes, brake cleaner.
It's the man who bullshits right there. Right, so moment of truth. Let's see if she starts. We've got jump back on. Alright. So she's alive. Are you happy, mate?
Absolutely.
She's alive and kicking.
Absolute ripper.
Right, so let's see. We've got gears, that's a bonus.
Handbrake's down there.
Right, here we go. Oh. Yeah, we've got brakes and we've got clutch. 49,000 mile. Buzzing with it, aren't you?
Ripper.
Ripper.
Absolute ripper. What a rig. What a beast.
Right, we're on to a winner. We're just going through a glove box and we found a bag of money. I mean, it's only about 4 quid. But 4 quid is 4 quid. That's it. Van's cheaper now, isn't it? Yeah. Just going to stick a battery in it now.
Next
and then that's it for tonight, isn't it? We'll be on to the next day. Right, here we are on day 2 of the dispatch build. Gonna be done tonight or what?
Yeah.
Right, so what we're doing now is we're gonna whip grill off, take bumper corner off, and replace wing, new tyre, about it, isn't it? Oh, and then put some new arch lines on, and then she's a roller, ready for MOT, and then it's Conrad's turn to clean it.
Yay.
Right, so what we have noticed is broke a tab off the headlight. So all we're going to do is use staple gun, melt it on, and then fill in the cracks and stuff with one screwdriver. We'll get that done now. So she's all back together. With this one, it's not pretty, but we had a big piece missing, so I've just filled it. As you can see, it'll do the job. What have you done, mate? What's it?
Someone else before me must have just left that in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She's stuck like. Yeah. Doing a good job with that. Come on, I want to see how you get it out. I'm intrigued now.
No, it's not.
Yeah, go on! Other way. Shh. Now get it pulled. I'll get it out. I mean, it's not going to come out, but I thought I'd get you to it anyway. Yes! How happy are you?
Light work, mate.
What's left?
Bumper. Grill. Arch liner. Wheel. Test ready.
Is that tab held up?
For now.
Why did you say that? Don't be too mad on that one.
Shh. It's a bit gentle, that one. You've got to be gentle with that one.
I'll do that one.
I'll do it. Hey! It's alright, you know? Yeah.
Flipping beast. Get off.
Yeah, all I've done is designed it, so next time someone whacks it...
Yeah, then it'll break.
It breaks.
Snap the headlight and have a look.
Yeah, that's it. It's twice as strong now. Factory finish. Right, so that's end of day 2. It's all back together, all body panels are on. She needs a wash now. That's Conrad's department.
Yeah.
I'm buzzing for it.
Absolutely.
3 days and it should be done. She needs testing and she's ready to go and then listed for sale. So if you want to buy it, let us know. So there she is, she's all done. How were it, Conrad?
Piss.
Just need to sell it now.